All right, so we're going to do this one with our AirLift airbag. This is on a 2023 Chevy 3/4 ton, so it's a 2500. And through all the research that we could find, the only real difference was about 2 helper springs and a few $1,000s more. So we opted with a 3/4 ton through the AirLift airbags in it. I'll post some pictures of what it looked like when we were doing the install. It was pretty easy. We went with the 5000 Ultimate Pros. That way you got the stainless steel caps and the stainless steel hose for it. So let me get this flipped around and I'll show you what we have going on. So we have a big log loader trailer from Camex. This is sitting in on the 2 5/16 gooseneck ball in the Chevy bed package here. It came pre-equipped with everything, the lights, the hitches, and the safety couplers and things. If I can get the camera to kind of show the bag itself here, we'll sneak around on the inside. So pretty easy. Take out the factory bump stop, and then everything else just kind of U-bolts around. And there's the other guy on the other side there. We are currently running with 0 pounds. And I use the outriggers here on the Camex to kind of find the unloaded kind of weight on this. So let me get the tape measure pulled out here. Sorry, I was running one-handed. So we're going to call this right at 21 inches to the top of the collar. We're sitting right in the middle of the rock for a nice level spot. We'll go ahead and pick up the outriggers and see what it looks like. All right, so again, we're doing this with 0 pounds in the airbag. This is factory stock 3/4 ton suspension with 3,000 pounds worth of hitch weight. And yes, you may say that is a lot of hitch weight, AJ, but you have a log loader here that's mounted right behind the neck, and that loader itself weighs 2,200 pounds, plus the actual gooseneck and the weight of the trailer. We have scaled these before, and it's right there at 3,000 pounds. Outriggers are off the ground, and we are at 18.5. I'll bring the camera over so you can see, but 18.5. There you have it, 18.5. 18 3/4 actually, I guess. Not too shabby for stock suspension. Let's go ahead and put some air in the bags and see what we can bring it up to. Right, so down here in the front bed step is where we put our little valve stem. Then Chevy gives us the nice little behind the seat compartment, or a little air compressor. And yes, I opted to not go with the factory one because I can buy that at Harbor Freight for about 20 bucks. And then we have a cigarette plug lighter in the back of the console. So we'll go ahead and get it hooked up and air it up. All right, so at just a little over 40 pounds, we were able to bring this back to about 20.5 inches. Oh, sorry, 19.5 inches. So that'll give us a good 1.5 inches on the springs, a good helper relief with the airbags, but not making them carry absolutely everything. And I'm pretty happy with that. All right, so that is our AirLift airbag system that we installed on the 2023 Chevy. I always tell customers you want at least a 3/4 ton. Usually get the bigger transmission, the bigger brakes. You can kind of play around with the axle ratio if you're doing them new. But you know, these airbags were under 800 bucks with the shipping, and install time was maybe an hour and a half with 2 of us. We just put up on the lift like you saw in the pictures there and bolted everything together, so it was pretty easy. The trailers do have a lot of tongue weight. Even like my bumper pull one, there's a lot of weight, and that's actually going on behind the axle. So I think it's a little bit heavier, but we'll have to put that on the scale and leave that for next time. But don't forget to hit the like and subscribe button here, and thanks for watching. I am AJ Shaver with Shaver Sales. We're always working hard to be lazy, and if we can ever get you a sales quote on something like this log loader trailer or anything else that we offer, please let me know. It's 833-SPLITTER. That's 833-775-4887. You can also email me at sales@shaverequipment.com. We'll see you next time.